Hi, I'm Ron from Backyard Life Gear. Today I'm going to show you how to install the 3-bottle side table holder on a Blackstone griddle. The side table holder comes with 2 mounting brackets. They're already attached using wing nuts. Just loosen these up a little bit and let the brackets fall. Now we'll take the side table bottle holder and slide it onto the shelf and then raise up the brackets in the back and tighten the wing nuts. Here's a view of the same process from underneath the shelf. Slide the shelf on. Raise the bracket up and tighten the nut. This unit can also be mounted on the end of the side shelves.